Hey everyone, a highly anticipated handheld gaming console from AYN, known for its Odin and Loki series gadgets, is the AYN Odin 2 Mini. This Android-powered console is, as its name suggests, a more portable variant of the Odin 2, which debuted last summer. The Odin 2 Mini is a more portable choice, thanks to a smaller screen and lighter shell, even if it still has many of the same specifications as the original. With its rounded corners and updated appearance, the Odin 2 Mini is reminiscent of the PlayStation Vita, while maintaining a contemporary look. The console looks antique, but within it is modern electronics, similar to what you'd find in a premium smartphone from recently. The display of the Odin 2 Mini is one of its main improvements. The smaller screen, which was 500 nits brighter than the original Odin 2, has been improved to a mini-LED panel, capable of 1100 nits. It is now a lot simpler to use outside thanks to this change. In addition, the gadget weighs 100 grams or 3.5 ounces less than its predecessor, which greatly improves portability. But in order to achieve a more compact appearance, this weight reduction requires a smaller battery, indicating a trade-off in battery life. The AYN Odin 2 Mini is the smaller sister of the Odin 2, as the name would imply. A few hardware upgrades are included in this downsizing, in order to accommodate everything in this smaller case. The Odin 2 Mini is notable for not having 512 gigs of storage or 16 gigs of RAM, and for having a battery that is almost half as big as the larger variant. Even with these reductions, the Odin 2 Mini is still a very good device. The 128 gigs variant costs $339, while the 256 gigs model costs $399. This makes it marginally more expensive than the larger Odin 2. On the other hand, you get a more portable device with improved screen brightness for this price, which makes it simpler to use in different lighting situations. Although the business hopes to ship the Odin 2 Mini by the summer, AYN has not yet disclosed an official release date. In the interim, you might want to take a look at the Anbernica G35X XSP if you're searching for something more nostalgic. The Odin 2 Mini's precise release date has not yet been announced by AYN, although the company plans to start selling the device later this summer. The Odin 2 Mini is a much-awaited entry to the handheld gaming market because of its unique combination of classic appearance and cutting-edge functionality. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day everyone and God bless you.